Left lane for the win, y'all. Left lane. If my people on TikTok want to see it in HD, man, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. Look out, look out. If y'all want to see it in HD, security finna. Yeah, we got a special event going on today. Oh, look at this beautiful. God, dude. How many they weigh? We want to get right here, y'all. Right lane clean though.
Adam Plunkett and Swamp Thing, Joey Baroni.
Oh, okay. Damn. I don't know who the hell. Left lane for the win. Left lane. Left lane for the win. Left lane. Yeah, I want to see it in HD, TikTokers. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Got plenty of races coming up. Oh, y'all, Gonzo, I ain't never seen y'all in person, man. I be watching some of y'all videos. Hey, y'all, we got NS Gonzo over here, y'all. I ain't never seen them in person, man. Nice to meet you, too. I had to read your camera.
Hey, I watched you talking to the horses the other day.
Which one? Oh, yeah, them horses. Man, you seen me stepping that shit.
I saw it at the almost dying.
God damn, man. I done stepped in shit, man. Everybody done seen that shit float around. Damn.
I think they subscribed.
They did? I think they did too, man. Fuck.
Better have.
All that shit I went through. Yo, we got NS Gonzo in here. Make sure y'all hitting that share button, like button, anything. I gotta get on the other side. There's a lot of heads in the way. Get over here and hear Murder. Look out, Murder. Say cheese. What's up with it, Murder? How you doing today? You alright? Man, that nigga got all the candy. I can come over here when I get hungry, huh? You ain't eating all that.
Hey, look out, look out.
What's up with it? Look out. In front of the taco stand on the bleachers, bet. I'm finna come over there. You got that Bucanas, right? Okay, bet. Ooh, I'm finna get on that Bucana. Is it too early?